Truckers and the business sector are calling for an intensified anti-corruption campaign in the country's ports. For the full story, here's Sam Ramirez.
Calls for public officials to expeditiously resolve the issues of corruption in the ports of Manila have again been made in a hearing conducted by the Senate Committee on Trade, Commerce and Entrepreneurship chaired by Senator Bam Aquino. Roberto Swansing and Melissa Chua, mouthpieces for truckers and the business sector respectively, complained about under-the-table deals.
Marami ho iniingat sa pier, no? Like for example, pag di-deliver na ng container, normally, para may delivery, para may karga yung container sa truck, may transaksyon. No? May transaksyon nangyayari. Pag sasoli ng container sa container yard, may transaksyon nangyayari. Habang nasa kalsada yung truck, paparahin niya ng enforcer, may transaksyon nangyayari. Then, pagdating doon sa loob, may tabo ron, ilalagay mo yung transaction fee doon sa tabo, then parang magic yun, gagalaw na ngayon yung mga dapat gumalaw.
Before it started only with the truckers, maybe better the truckers to speak up. Pakikisama for merienda, maybe for 100. But now, people are taking advantage of it because they know the frustration of how to return the empties. So even though you have the pre-alert advice, but if you don't do those under the table, they will not accept your empties. So forced to give it to them.
These under-the-table charges, which ranges from 500 pesos to 2,500 and possibly more per cargo truck, are passed on to consumers, Senator Aquino said.
Marami pong mga elemento, gusto po nila na may delay, gusto nila na may inefficiency, gusto nila may congestion. Kasi nakakapag-charge sila, nakakahingi sila under the table, yung talo po dyan yung taong bayan.
Task Force Pantalan Head Cabinet Secretary Rene Almendras emphasized they are on top of the issue, but he also admitted that long-term solutions have yet to be laid out.
We've actually been trying to solve that. As we said, there are solutions that can be done immediately. I think if you're looking for something drastic, it's going to come when we're able to put the systems in place. Kasi one of the reasons for corruption is the lack of transparency.
Meanwhile, authorities are preparing for the influx of Christmas cargoes as this may cause congestion anew. Since the lifting of the Manila truck ban, the situation has gotten better, but the problem now lies with returning the empty containers to their suppliers since this has started to pile up in the ports. For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.